Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this 6-inch battery-powered cordless chainsaw to go ahead and give an honest review, and it's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you exactly what's in this case, all the cool features of the chainsaw, and then I'm going to show you it in action. First of all, I do want you to see it's a nice hard plastic case. Everything is held within here. It has good solid plastic clasps, and I'm going to go ahead and show you everything you get. Look at this. So here is the actual chainsaw itself, and it does come with a cover on the blade for a handy. I'm going to explain all about the chainsaw in a moment. You do get a charging block. The charging block is used for charging up not one, but two of these batteries. This is amazing. You get two batteries so that you can have one battery charging while you're actually going out and using the chainsaw with the other battery. You get an extra chain, which is really remarkable. You get a little brush for kind of cleaning it out. You get some little tools for actually working with it. And this is amazing. This chainsaw actually uses oil, and you even get chainsaw oil and then a little spout for actually using it and squirting it in. So let's talk about the chainsaw itself. As I've already mentioned, it does have a little oil tank. You fill this with oil, and then you go ahead and squeeze it, and that will actually go ahead and oil the chain while it's running. I will take off the sleeve. There you go. There's the actual chain itself. Again, it's rare that you actually have a chainsaw like this that will take oil. That helps the blade run faster, and it just keeps everything working a whole lot better. It's very rare to find an electric battery-powered chainsaw that takes oil. When you do find one like this means it's a quality chainsaw and it's not some little fly-by-night operation. A couple of the quick safety features, just so you know, it has a guard on top as well. It has a nice hand grip, so you're not going to whack your hand by accident. The battery fits on the end, and you actually have a left and a right. You have a little unlock button. When this thing is in lock mode, you cannot actually pull the trigger. When it's in unlock mode, then you can pull the trigger. So it's kind of a safety mechanism right there. By the way, each of the batteries has a little button on it. You can press it to see how charged up it is. There you go. I've got, 3 bars out of 4 right there, so I'm pretty good to go. So how does it work? Here you go. You take one of your included batteries and you slide it on the bottom, it clicks right in place, and you're ready to go. I turn the safety off, and I go ahead and I press the trigger, and it works. I really like this little thing as well. Often on a chainsaw, you need to actually use a special screwdriver or an Allen wrench. With this, it just lifts right up, and you twist it on by hand. So there's a nice little thumb screw there. And then what you can do, what that does, that allows you to take the case off. And in here, you can do one of two things. You can actually adjust the tightness of the blade. You can push this in and out, but you can also clear it out. When you're actually cutting a bunch of softer wood, you actually hit something that's green. Sometimes you'll get needles in there. You'll get leaves in there. You can go ahead and clean it out real easily by taking this guard off, and then you just put the guard right back on. Use a little thumb screw, put it back on. You don't need any special tools. You just do it right in the field, and you keep going. Okay, battery's ready to go. All I have to do is put some oil in it. It does come with this wonderful little top and a screw-on cap so that I can go ahead, open this up, and I can put some oil in it right now. The tank is ready to go. I'm just going to squeeze some oil into this, and you can see it right there. That's probably good for the moment. And what I'm going to do is put the cap back on. I'll press this bulb a couple times to put some oil onto the blade, and then I'm ready to go out and start cutting. Okay, give it a couple quick pumps. I can feel it there. I'm going to go ahead and take the safety off. I have it, let's see, in the middle is safe. There we go. And I'm going to run it. And we're ready to go. The oil, the blade itself has a little bit of oil in it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but I am ready to start cutting some wood around the house. One of the big advantages of having a cordless chainsaw is I don't have to walk with a long cord or one walk around the lawn. I also don't have to worry about gasoline and smells and starting it up with the pull start. All I have to do is hold it in my hand, press the trigger, and it runs. That's it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and just trim off this little dead branch right here. Watch how quickly this works. Again, this is nice because one-handed operation, nice and easy. There we go, clean through. Just like that, really, really easy. The nice part about trimming with one-handed operation as opposed to two hands is that you can actually use one hand to kind of pull your branch towards you a little closer to where you actually want to be, and then you cut it and let the branch back go. So here we go. There we go. Cut it off, branch bounces back up. Again, with two hands, I have a lot more control. With the cordless, I can go anywhere around the yard and do anything I need to cut. I have a fire pit, and some of the bigger branches that I cut down won't fit in the fire pit the way they are, so I have to cut these down a little more, so no problem. All you want to do is you want to secure the piece of wood, use your one-handed saw, and just cut right through it. There we go. Like a hot knife through butter. By the way, the chainsaw does come with a full manual as well as a set of safety glasses. I'll put them on for this demonstration because I'm going to be working on a big piece of wood here. But for little tree trimming and stuff, I usually wear my regular glasses, which are actually safety rated. Here's another quick sample. Here's a 3-inch thick branch, piece of wood here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot with this little chainsaw. And there you go. Nice clean cut. Again, that was 3 inches, no problem whatsoever. It could probably go 4, maybe even 4.5, 5 if you have some bigger stuff. So this little chainsaw packs a wallop. I gotta admit, I'm really quite impressed. I spent about an hour walking around my yard, just trimming the trees, trimming little bushes, just cutting down things, cutting some branches into smaller sizes for my fire pit. And this thing cut all of them with no trouble whatsoever. It went right through everything. I am low on oil now, so I have to go ahead and put more oil in, but for all the amount of use, that's fine. The battery itself is still good. I still have about 2.5 bars there, maybe 3 bars of battery. Again, I didn't run it all hour long, but it does. The battery did hold up very, very well. And it still runs just as fast as it was before. It's still nice and sharp. It's still cutting. I have not needed to adjust the blade tension yet. If I do, again, I can take the cover off, and I will do that. But yeah, overall, by the way, there are actually a couple little notices on the blade itself. Give you warnings, give you little instruction manuals. There's a little manual that's included with it. Overall, this is a very, very good cordless, wireless chainsaw. It is wonderfully, we have things battery powered. It does charge up fine. I have the other battery charging right now. It just charges up. It's no big deal. I love the fact that it actually oils the blade, so it'll actually keep running and it keeps everything nice and sharp and moving very well. I didn't even get it jammed up any more than a couple little green needles every now and then. But again, real easy to clean out. That's the whole part of this. It's really, really a great system. It does, again, come with an extra blade as well, or extra chain as well. So if I go ahead and break this chain, or if it's not sharp and I don't feel like sharpening it, I can put a whole new chain on. It's very rare that you find a package like this with the oil, with the chain, with the tools, with 2 batteries included. This is a great chainsaw, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who needs a cordless or wireless chainsaw to go around the yard and do trimming. This is a great option. I highly recommend it.